2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack RT 6.4 liter 392. I don't know how much more numbers and things I can say, but anyways, really beautiful car, as you guys can see. Stone gray, one of my favorite colors, as you guys can see. As party. There's the vibrants we put on it right there. Parts numbers 17930. We'll show them to you guys in a second. It's got factory converters. It's got less than 9,000 miles on it. There's the factory converters. Factory 2.5 inch or 3 inch into a factory X-Bike. Then there's the two vibrant beasts right there. He didn't want it too loud. He just wanted to hear it when you get on it. We said, okay, that's the one you want to go with. As you guys can see, part number 17930. There'll be a link in the description for them. We left the valves on there and there. Then we did a rear delete also. There and there. Into some beautiful quad tips. Just to finish off the look. Right there. Something simple, clean. Flush cuts. Right there. And right there. This is where we cut them off. That's the original stuff that was on it. There's the mids, there's the rears, there's the original tips. So much better, so much nicer. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. You want to go with deep without a lot of raspiness, you go with the vibrant. Listen to that vibrant just purr. Oh my God. Wow, it's got a nice bite to it. There's the sound decibels. Right at 103. Go ahead and back it up. They're nicely done. They don't need much to be perfect. Yeah, it sounds really nice. There she is. Let you guys hear on the inside. Scat Pack Challenger 6.4. That clean beast. Vibrant mids, rear delete, quad tips.